Hey there Tina family, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving headfirst into some serious oily business. Yep, you guessed it, it's time to tackle that pesky oil leak on valve cover. And what's better way to do it than with a touch of humor and sprinkle of chaos? Let's get started. Alright folks, first thing first, it's time for some serious detective work. Sherlock Holmes, eat your heart out. We are on the hunt for the sneaky oil leak culprit. Is it a venomous gasket? A mischievous seal? Let's find out.
Okay, so the leakage is at this area and this area inside. You guys might be cannot see due to too dark, but it's at there. So we suspect is the valve gasket cover leak. Okay, after we take it out, we also found that the plug seal also leaked. So this is the condition after we clean. This is the valve cover gasket and this is the plug seal. So since we already opened, we're going to change these two. So we have already taken out the seal. Now we are install the new seal back and also the gasket.
Since we have already taken out everything, so we changed the new set of plug as well. Remember, choose the correct heat range plug for your car. If not, yes, so if you want to know more about that, you check out our video at the link on top. Drum roll please. It's time for the big review. Did we conquer the oil leak or did the oil leak conquer us? And there you have it folks. We have battered the oil leak, danced in engine oil and emerged victorious. Remember, even when things get messy, A little humor and a lot of determination can turn any DIY project into an adventure. If you enjoy this wow ride, give that like button a tap, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next hilarious oily escape. Stay tuned, stay awesome, and keep those engines running smoothly. Bye bye!